Hello, Hardress is here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your QuickBooks app on iOS. So first, what you want always to do is go up to this App Store and find your app. Like here, and check if you have the newest version of your app. If no, you just need to update, maybe that's gonna fix any problems. But if you have the newest version and have problems, I show you more way how to fix it. So first way is just go to the settings, all the way down, go to the apps, here, books, like here, and you just need to set every settings to the fabric, like here, Siri, search, live activities on, background app refresh on, language doesn't matter, always play sound doesn't matter, tap to pay on iPhone screen lock, that's also doesn't matter. But maybe this is your issue, maybe you just need to turn it on and check. But if you have still issues and problem, the last way is just take your app, remove app, here, and go and reinstall the app, like here. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.